This is the secret tool I found that finds you customers desperately craving your service and gives you their email so you can reach out and seal the deal tonight. I used to be the kind of guy that hated spammers, but then I realized that sending in massive volume works, and it doesn't piss people off the way you think it does. That said, when you send to a list of hyper-enriched leads and see that 40% reply rate, I'm in, dude, cash it up. But what if there was a way to fuse them? A por qué no los dos situation, if you will. That's what I just found. Check this out. This is a job board search where you basically put in any keyword and it shows you all the leads that are hiring for that role. This is the easiest way to find people that are actively looking right now for somebody like you. For instance, 40,000 companies hiring for demand generation. You hire for demand generation when you need leads right now. You're missing your numbers and you're desperate for people to come in and help you sell. I wonder who they could hire. Now let's get even spicier. Performance marketing. These are people that already are spending on ads and they're desperate for sales. And to turn them into real leads, then you go to find email and go to bulk from domains and just drag that CSV right in here. Pick your CEO and there we go, cold email ready leads. So let's do a search. Let me introduce you to a little title called Sales Development Representative. Every single one of these companies is trying to start outbound. So if you're selling cold email as a service, you better get to work. And knowing where to pull the leads from is just the beginning. If you want our whole outbound system, how to qualify, build a crazy offer, and scale until you've contacted every person on earth who's qualified for your offer, that's all inside the Mastermind. We'll help you build it, scale it, and turn it into actual money. Apply now at alexberman.com/mastermind. And in a second, I'll recommend another video that I know you're gonna love. Comment down below what you thought of that one and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.